This tutorial will demonstrate the installation process for both round-legged and rectangular-legged ladders. We'll start with the round-legged ladder. Connect the upper section of the ladder to the lower section to form a single unit. A rubber mallet or similar soft face tool can be used to help. To make things easier, we'll be using a power drill for most of the installation steps in this video. Make sure the Belleville washer is installed with the concave side towards the screw. Because we've already installed the ladder, you can see there are holes already drilled in the video. Normally, you'd need to figure out where to drill the holes first, based on where the bottom connecting plate and bracket will go. Then, use self-tapping screws to go through the metal body of the van and fasten the connecting plate. Secure the top of the ladder. Remove the pre-installed L-shaped connector from the bent section of the upper ladder leg and reverse the orientation of the connector, turning the muzzle end outward. Then reinsert the grip end into the original hole. Please avoid over-tightening it, as we'll be making adjustments. Attach the ladder's upper section to the track connector. All that's left is to fasten the bottom screws of the ladder and we're finished. Now, we'll show you how to install the unique sections of the rectangular legged ladder. The ladder with the rectangular legs goes together a little differently. Check this out. When you're done putting the ladder together, check to see if it feels solid. If you're planning to mount the rectangular legged ladder onto roof rail, the installation process is a bit different compared to one with round legs. Check out this video for a quick demo. The rest of the installation process for the rectangular legged ladder is the same as for one with round legs. Just follow the previous tutorial.